Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So let's start with the launch date of the Galaxy S10. Some new reports suggest that Samsung might lead 2019 with the early launch of the Galaxy S10 in January. We had the same rumors about the Galaxy S9, so I would say that it's a long journey left and things might and will change. So now the design of the Galaxy S10. It will go beyond infinity. Beyond is the code name for the Galaxy S10 and the phone truly justifies its name. Samsung will go totally beyond its limits by completely eliminating the bottom bezel. This was also previously revealed by this patent, and these are all the code names for the previous Samsung phones. So if you wanna read these, just pause the video right now. And Samsung by mistake or maybe intentionally placed this Easter egg in one of their official Galaxy S9 videos. This phone shows up for a very short time period and clearly it's not the Galaxy S9 Plus. The bezels of the Galaxy S9 is not as small. It's possibly the Easter egg for the 10th anniversary Galaxy S10. Samsung Squage. Oh come on, why do you have such a difficult name? So this channel uploaded this video named as a touch of history. So around 40 seconds in the video, this mysterious phone arrives, which resembles the phone from this video and also the phone from the patents. So could this mean that this is indeed a Easter egg for the Galaxy S10? I guess yes it is. The Galaxy S10 will also come equipped with the in-display fingerprint scanner. It is also said that Galaxy Note 9 will feature the in-display fingerprint scanner, but we don't know that for sure. But for the Galaxy S10, it is for sure. Exynos 9820 or Snapdragon 855 chipset will be present depending on your country. These processors will be significantly better than 10nm processors. These will be more faster and more battery efficient. So yeah guys, this is the Easter egg for the next big thing, the 10th anniversary Galaxy S10. This will be one beast of a phone. And Samsung would want to make its 10th anniversary phone as a really great phone, probably the best in the business. What do you guys think about this Easter egg? Do you think it is correct or not? Let me know in the comments down below. Hit the like button if you loved this design, subscribe to the channel for each and every Galaxy S10 updates, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.